I'm diving into the world of AI video creation with Midjourney, a powerhouse in AI-driven image generation. To kick things off, I sign up on their platform and get familiar with their tools. Next, I brainstorm a concept for my video, mapping out key scenes I want to bring to life. Using Midjourney's prompts, I generate stunning images like a futuristic city at sunset or a serene forest with a river, tweaking them to perfection. Now comes the fun part, compiling these images into a captivating video. I choose a video editing software, import my images, and arrange them on the timeline. With smooth transitions and carefully selected music and sound effects, I bring my visuals to life. Adding text overlays and effects, I enhance the narrative, ensuring everything flows seamlessly. After multiple rounds of review and edits, I'm ready to export my masterpiece in the desired format. It's time to share my creation with the world, uploading it to platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Seeking feedback from friends and colleagues, I make any final tweaks to ensure my video shines. Remember, don't shy away from experimenting with prompts, maintain consistency and style, and aim to tell a compelling story through your visuals and audio. With these steps, you too can craft an engaging AI-generated video that captivates your audience.